Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a colorful Christmas wreath using a few simple materials. You will need red wired edge ribbon, red and green pom-poms, cardboard, a box cutter and hot glue, red paint and a paintbrush. The first thing we're going to do is mark the edges of the wreath ring. This wreath will measure 10 inches in diameter, but it is up to you how big or small you make it. Next, mark 2.5 inches from the edge of the ring. Using these marks, create an outer and inner circle. You can also use something circular to trace around. Next, cut out the ring and repeat the process with another piece of cardboard so that you have two wreath rings of the same size. Using a bit of glue, attach both rings together. Next, we're going to paint the ring red, making sure to cover both sides and along the edges. The next step will be to make the bow. You want to measure a piece of ribbon against the ring to calculate how big you want it. I am making this one about 5 to 6 inches long. Once you mark the place, fold the ribbon over on itself, making sure to keep the layer straight. You can fold it over as many times as you want depending on how many loops you want the bow to have. This one specifically has 10 loops. Now cut the ribbon and then mark the center by making a small fold. Next, we're going to cut into the ribbon at the center marks at an angle and only about a third of the way through. Insert a wire at these cuts and twist close at the back. If you want the bow to have tails, cut a piece of ribbon of the length you want, and for a decorative edge, fold it in half lengthwise and cut at an angle at the ends. Next, pinch the ribbon at the center and place it on the wire and twist it close again. To form the bow, start pulling each loop out and shaping it to where you want it to be. Finally, cut off any excess ribbon. The next step will be to attach the pom-poms to the wreath base. You can do this in any pattern you wish. Once you have most of the wreath covered, make sure to leave an empty space at the bottom where the bow will fit. Also make sure to cover the inner and outer edges with pom-poms as well. The last step will be to attach the bow to the wreath. Once the wreath is dry completely, you can add it to your Christmas decor.